Dear students, today we will solve the numerical of chapter number 3. This is first numerical 3.1. This numerical states that a 10 kg block is placed on a smooth horizontal surface. A horizontal force of 5 Newton is applied to the block. Find A part the acceleration produced in the block and B the velocity of the block after 5 seconds. If I draw the figure for this situation, then this is the horizontal smooth surface, and on this surface the block is placed, and the mass of this block is 10 kg, and the force which is acting on this block, this force is 5 Newton. If I write the data here, the mass of the block which is represented by m, this is 10 kg, and the force which is acting on the block which is represented by F, it is 5 Newton. We will have to calculate the acceleration produced in the block which is represented by A, and also the final velocity, because initially the block was at rest, so Vi was 0, and we have to calculate the final velocity Vf, and we will also given uh, the forceps for 5 seconds. Second shows that this is time, we will represent by t, and t is 5 seconds. So to calculate acceleration, we will use the formula F is equal to ma, and to make the A subject, we will have the equation A is equal to F and divided by m. The value of F is here, force is 5 Newton, and the mass is 10 kilogram. Dividing 5 by 10, we will get 0.5. Since it is acceleration, its units will be ms minus 2. So the A is 0.5 ms minus 2. To calculate the final velocity Vf, we will use the first equation of motion, which is Vf equals Vi plus At. And putting their values, since the initially block is at rest, Vi is 0, and acceleration we have recently calculated, it is 0.5. We'll put here 0.5 and multiply by time. The time was 5 seconds, so we multiply it by 5. 5 5s are 25, so the final velocity will be 2.5, and the units for velocity are meter per second. So the velocity of the block after 5 seconds will be 2.5 meter per second. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in next lesson.